Recently, the South View and E.E. Smith High School communities came together in love, compassion, and remembrance. As fans filled the stadium, there was a shared understanding that this night was about more than football. It was about honoring three young men, Nick Williams, Trevor Merritt, and Elliott, whose lives touched so many. The ceremony began with words of comfort and reflection, followed by a moment of silence to remember their lives. Each name was spoken with reverence, and each pause carried the weight of a community standing together in grief and support. In a heartfelt gesture, the South View family presented tokens of love, including commemorative helmets, stoles, and a plaque of remembrance, symbolizing their unity with E.E. Smith. Local leaders joined in tribute, including Mayor Jesse Bellflowers, Board Chairwoman Deanna Jones, the Cumberland County Board of Education, and Superintendent Dr. Eric Bracey, each emphasizing the strength and unity that defined Cumberland County. As both teams entered the field together through a banner that read, "One field, one family, we stand together. Compassion and togetherness rise above rivalry."
This week has been surreal for us. There's no script as a principal to deal with the level of travesty. This tragedy is of epic proportions. We've been basically just trying to make sure that our students understand that we're there to support them, support the families. The community outpouring has been amazing, the prayers and support. But at this time, we're just trying to make sure we do the best we can to support our kids. They're remarkably resilient that way. We find ourselves at times getting strength from them.
Last night's tribute reminded everyone that even in the face of tragedy, this community stands strong, bound by love, lifted by faith, and united in purpose. We are one.